How do you format files from the command line? How we can format a specific file or all files using commands in Prettier. So let's check those commands. We can use mbx prettier dash dash write and a specific file, or mbx prettier dash dash write dot to format or project files. Let's explain that more on a project. Here is my project, and this is a file, React TypeScript, and it's not formatted, and but if I saved, I should make sure that the setting of format on format is not activated. So I will press Control, comma to check format on save. So I disabled this integration or this setting, and now I will format this file. How I can format this file? I need to open the path. I should access the path or directory of this file. So I will right click, I will choose open in integrated terminal, and here I will write the command that we saw, mbx prettier dash dash write, and I will write the file. Now you can as you can see, all the file formatted. Also, let's check all the format of the files in the project. So I will back to the director of the project, the source project. So I will check those files, and let's check them, all the files, and check all the files apply the formatting. I will find like warning for main TS. So I will format all files by using mbx prettier dash dash write dot, and I can check after this format. I will find all the solution is styled and follow the configuration that I have. That's it. Thank you.